Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. So today I have Erin with me. She's taking pictures, so I'm gonna be doing her makeup.
Yeah, so I asked Amanda to do my makeup today because yes, I can do a basic everyday face, but I want something that's not gonna be flashing back in photos. I want something that's gonna be natural, enhance basically my features, nothing over the top. And that's pretty much the look that we're going for today. Yeah. Natural and like a little bit of a soft wing, but nothing harsh.
Yeah. Very like kind of more like enhancing your natural features versus like changing them. So that's what I'm here for. So let's get started.
You're so rude, you got no manners. Views of you are panoramic in my mind, in my mind. You're so bold and disrespectful, make it so hard to forget you. That's unkind, get out of my mind. How dare you get me like this? How dare you give me that kiss? How dare you love me so good? How dare you capture my heart and make me want you non-stop? How dare you love me so good? Love me so good. How dare you? How dare you get me like this? How dare you give me that kiss? How dare you love me so good? Love me so good. You're so impolite and forward, stand no chance. You got me cornered, now I'm yours. Got some damn nerve. You're so brave and mesmerizing, wasn't selling, but I'm buying. Got some nerve, you're heaven on earth. How dare you get me like this? How dare you give me that kiss? How dare you love me so good? How dare you capture my heart and make me want you non-stop? How dare you love me so good? Love me so good. How dare you? How dare you get me like this? How dare you give me that kiss? How dare you love me so good? Love me so good. You got some audacity, being such a masterpiece. Who said you could come in my space? I'm up in your galaxy. What happened to gravity? You're a habit I cannot shake, yeah. How dare you get me like this? How dare you give me that kiss? How dare you love me so good? How dare you capture my heart and make me want you non-stop? How dare you love me so good? Love me so good. How dare you? Your head is in the clouds, your mind is in the gutter. You won't be coming down. Let's love up on each other. You'll probably say I'm crazy, but you won't want another. You'll probably say you hate me, but when the day is over, I'ma have you eating at the palm of my hand. I'ma have you love struck, you're gonna be love struck. I'ma have you wanting me at every chance. I'ma have you love struck, you're gonna give me the giddiest spot in the call to your phone and tell all your old chicks to leave you alone. Ooh, ooh, baby, I'ma have you love struck, you're gonna be love struck. I'ma have you love struck, you're gonna be love struck. Ooh, ooh, baby, I'ma have you love struck, yeah. Kitty spot in the corner to your phone and tell all your old chicks to leave you alone. Ooh, ooh, baby, I'ma have you love struck, yeah. You got some work ahead. I'm not easy to handle, but you'll keep coming back like a moth to a candle. I got that ooh la la, I got that hocus pocus. Soon as I love you down, Gonna be hard to focus. Oh, I'ma have you beating at the palm of my hand. I'ma have you love struck, you gonna be love struck. I'ma have you wanting me at every chance. I'ma have you love struck, you gonna give me the kitty spot in the call to your phone and tell all your old chicks to leave you alone. Ooh, ooh, baby, I'ma have you love struck, you gonna be love struck. I'ma have you love struck, you gonna be love struck. Ooh, ooh, baby, I'ma have you love struck, yeah. Kitty spot in the call to your phone and tell all your old chicks to leave you alone. Ooh, ooh, baby, I'ma have you love struck, yeah. You're gonna love me more than you know. Just like a magnet, I'll pull you close. You won't be able to tell me no, no, no. You're gonna want me more than you think. Might take my name and put it in ink. To get you drunk, I don't need a drink, no, no. I'ma have you beating at the palm of my hand. I'ma have you love struck, you gonna be love struck. I'ma have you wanting me at every chance. I'ma have you love struck, you gonna give me the kitty spot in the call to your phone and tell all your old chicks to leave you alone. Ooh, ooh, baby, I'ma have you love struck, you gonna be love struck. I'ma have you love struck, you gonna be love struck. Ooh, ooh, baby, I'ma have you love struck, yeah. Kitty spot in the call to your phone and tell all your old chicks to leave you alone. Ooh, ooh, baby, I'ma have you love struck, yeah. I know I said I would, but my heart says that I should. Say something about your presence makes me feel electric waves. I get a little nervous every time you look at me. You look at me. Last time that it happened, he took every part of me, every part of me. So can I trust you? Can I trust you? I've been broken, I've been bruised, I've been cheated, I've been used. So can I trust you? I know what's past is past, but shit, that pain can last, you know. When I see you smile, I see a vicious side. Hello. I get a little nervous every time you take my breath. Take my breath. Last time that it happened, he never even gave it back. No. So can I trust you? Can I trust you? I've been broken, I've been bruised, I've been cheated, I've been used. So can I trust you? I know I said I would, and my heart says that I shouldn't go.
Love that.
What color is it?
Number 5. It's like the one that's like a terracotta.
Mm-hmm.
Love it.
Do you like her formula?
Yeah.
Gotta
And I don't like, it's probably in my purse. I have like what's MAC Cosmetics, like honey dip or something. Oh my god.
The one I put on you.
Nuh-uh.
Yeah.
This is what's on me?
Yeah.
Wait, really?
Yeah.
Why does it look so cute right now?
I don't know.
Oh, I hate it when I put it on.
Oh, really?
What lip liner did you use? Really? I'm gonna shut my mouth.
Like
That's
honey,
in my
I hate it.
I wore it the other night and I put Maybelline on top.
Alright, so thank you for watching. I really hope you enjoyed this video. If you want to see more videos with me and Erin, please give this a thumbs up and I'll link her YouTube in the description box below. So please like, comment, and subscribe and we can be friends. We can be cool.
Bye everyone.
Bye.